Alzato Overseas Education. We bring overseas education within your reach through our extensive experience of international education. 8 years professionally managed organization with 250 plus years of experience of team. We have 2 offices in Indore and we are in 9 cities now. Come, let me introduce to my Alzatian team and give you an office tour. So this is our MD's desk. So this is our certified experience counselors team. You can check, we have such a huge team, and today we have Somi, the head of certified experience counselor, who is going to give some brief about it.
So I'm the senior counselor head over here. We have a team of 70 plus experienced team members with 70 years of work experience overall. As we are the face of organization, we help our students to brighten up their career, as Alzato's main motto is student career should win first, and we make it possible. Thank you.
Okay, thank you Somi for such a wonderful introduction of your team members. Now let's go to another team. You can check, this is our content writer team working for the SOPs and cover letters. Now we are going towards the head of the visa, Mr. Manoj, who will give some brief introduction to us. So hello Mr. Manoj.
Hi.
He is the head for the visa. So can you just tell us about some visas, what Alzato is doing basically?
Of course, I am Manoj and I handle the visa team here. I have an experience of 7 years, and if I include the overall experience of my team, it will calculate somewhere around 60 years. So 60 years of experience, that really means a lot. Well, if we say that how exactly the visa team is working, all the stages, if we see it, then we say that we have got 100% success ratio on our paid program courses. And if we say how exactly the fully financed courses are working, we have outstanding success rate on that as well. In addition to that, we not only secure the visa, we also ensure that our students reaches there and blend in properly. That's how we handle it.
Oh, that's a wonderful thought. And now we will go to the visa team. I'll just show you the team which is working under Mr. Manoj basically. So this is my team working under Mr. Manoj. This is all our visa team. Also we have IELTS offline classes going on in the office. I'll just show you that also. So this is our students of Alzatians basically preparing for their IELTS examination, and we have the head trainer Mr. Deepak also with us. Thank you. So now moving towards our second office, we have our first subject matter expert team. So Ansh is leading this team. He is going to give us brief introduction, what he is doing and what profile he is mainly handling for Alzato.
Yeah, hi, this is Ansh. I'm the subject matter expert here. I help students with their profile evaluation, connecting the delegates with the student and the students with the delegate. So the process goes very smoothly. So student does not face as much of an issue.
Okay, so university delegates
Yes,
also.
yes.
You coordinate for that also, you make the student meet with their university
Yes,
delegates.
that is my work here.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank
Thanks
you.
so much. So now let's go to our application head team, Ms. Simarjit Kaur. She is going to give some brief introduction that what she is basically handling over here.
Hi, I'm Simarjit Kaur, Applications Head at Alzato Overseas Education. I have 7 years of work experience, and if I talk about my team experience, so they are having 70 plus years of experience. We deal in world-class QS ranked public and private universities like University College London, King's College London, University of Manchester, Arizona State University, Politecnico di Milano, Sapienza University of Rome, Trinity College Dublin, and many more. Now who can apply in these universities? So any student who is 12th pursuing, 12th completed, bachelor's pursuing, bachelor's completed, master's pursuing and master's completed. and the courses in which we are dealing in are engineering courses, technical courses, architecture courses. There are courses related to fashion, management, tourism and many more.
Oh, so much of universities and 70,000 plus courses, and that to top 500 QS world rank. It's so surprisingly good and good options for the career for the students basically. Now moving towards our executive director's desk, Mr. Amit Pahare, and most of the brainstormings happens here only. Now this is the admission application team which works under Simarji. This is also our admission application team. So now let's go to our scholarship application team. So this is our scholarship application team. And the head is Deepika Pandey.
We deal in 3,000 plus universities across 30 plus countries such as UK, Canada, Australia, Italy, New Zealand, Germany. We provide 70,000 plus courses across 30 plus countries. Also, for the paid courses in countries like UK, US, Canada, Alzato has provided up to 50% of scholarships. In fully funded scholarship programs, Alzato has given tuition fees for the entire degree program, stipend amount of rupees 12 lakhs for your masters and rupees 18 lakhs for your bachelors, and also hostel accommodation is provided. Alzato enjoys 370 plus crores of scholarship approval. The scholarship team experiences of 80 plus years. Thank you for watching our office tour video.